Hi, I'm Justin Foster from Trend Micro, and I'm here to give you a tour of Trend Micro Deep Security for protecting your AWS workloads. Today we'll look at the product in action. I'll show you how to meet security and compliance goals on the Amazon cloud using the layered defense provided by Deep Security. This is the Deep Security Management Console. It's available as software, appliance, or software as a service. For this demo, I'll be using the SaaS to show you around. When you log in, Deep Security provides you with a central dashboard. Here you can see your security status and events across protection modules like Anti-Malware, Intrusion Prevention, Integrity Monitoring, and more. Of course, a security tool isn't useful without something to protect. Deep Security integrates with your cloud provider to see EC2 instances come and go, as well as show which are protected. Linking Deep Security to Amazon Web Services is as simple as a few clicks. We create the view-only permissions that Deep Security needs to see your instances, images, and tags. Here I've already connected my AWS account and other cloud providers. To provide protection, Deep Security uses a lightweight smart agent that downloads and installs the security module based on the policy applied. Getting the agent on your instance is easy. You can either bake it into your AMI template or launch it dynamically using a deployment script. Here you choose the operating system and the policy that's right for you. Tools like Chef or Puppet, you can add these scripts to your deployments. Alternatively, you can use the built-in tools provided by the Amazon platform. Here, for example, we launch a new Amazon Linux instance. We choose the size and paste the script in on user data. If you're using auto-scaling groups, the same script would go into your launch configuration, and you can run it once or 1,000 times. You can see Deep Security has detected the new instance and is providing protection against threats. So that shows you how easy it is to get up and running with Deep Security. But let's talk about how Deep Security helps you protect your AWS deployments from attacks, misconfigurations, and helps meet compliance goals. Here we have the policy tree. All of the policies inherit settings, so you can create global and role-specific policies, for example, a Linux LAMP stack. When you open up a policy, Deep Security shows you the security modules you have access to. Each module provides a different form of protection to help you secure your cloud deployments. Let's start with Anti-Malware, something Trend Micro is well known for. Anti-Malware provides a great method of protecting against file and memory threats. We use the Smart Protection Network to keep the memory usage light and the scan very efficient. For advanced threats, we can send files for sandbox analysis. Web Reputation is our URL filtration capability. This can help detect botnet command and control traffic or lock down access to only approved sites, such as update sources. Next is the firewall. While AWS provides a great firewall through security groups, Deep Security can help you with compliance logging or export control. Next is the most important security control for the cloud. Intrusion Prevention provides virtual patching for vulnerabilities until you can actually patch. Let's look at an example. Here I have a server that's baked in an older version of a popular library called OpenSSL. I'm using an attack tool to send it a malformed packet with an invalid handshake. A vulnerability in that library causes it to return the last page of memory. You could do this all day long and steal sensitive information like credit card data or passwords. Now I'm going to turn on Intrusion Prevention. The policy is sent to the agent, and it now has a virtual patch for the OpenSSL issue. Now the server is being protected until the application developers or your software vendor can provide a patch. This time, the handshake completes successfully and no data is leaked. Deep Security protects against thousands of threats using a layered approach to IPS. The first is exploit rules, signature-based rules that target specific exploits in the wild. Then there are vulnerability rules that virtually patch the general vulnerability for multiple exploits. Finally, we have our smart rules that use statistical, behavioral, and non-signature approaches like protocol enforcement. This protects against a wide range of attacks, including web application attacks like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Deep Security does something very unique to keep the performance high. We use the agent to scan for vulnerabilities and even offer the ability to automatically add the virtual patch and then remove the virtual patch once you've actually patched. This recommendation scan will warn you if you have unpatched exposures. This and our advanced pattern matching technology helps keep your network traffic fast. In fact, you can see over 5 gigabits per second with full inspection. Also keep in mind, because the protection is provided inside the instance, not at a virtual perimeter, you don't have to re-architect your network, and it can scale infinitely. Next up is file integrity monitoring. Here we look for suspicious changes in files, ports, processes, users, groups, and the registry. Again, we have a number of great out-of-the-box rules, and the recommendation scan helps you choose which areas of the system you should monitor. This may be as simple as detecting when an administrator is logged in and mistakenly put their own private key in the SSH directory, or it could be a threat that's got past your other lines of defense. And then we have log inspection. It looks at your OS, web server, and application logs for cases of serious security risk. For instance, a login failure or a login success are not that interesting on their own. But many failures followed by a success could be a sign of a brute force attack. Deep Security correlates these events and provides higher value security information and threat intelligence. Last is our application control, which can be used to lock down systems to only run approved applications. This is great for stateless servers or Docker deployments and provides a strong defense against advanced threats. So that shows you how to set up Deep Security and create the policy that's right for your workloads. Finally, let's look at monitoring your systems. It all starts with your customizable dashboard, where you can look at all the areas you're interested in. Each provides drill down, so you can investigate the attacks, such as the OpenSSL attack we thwarted earlier. Deep Security provides rich reporting and APIs to allow you to integrate with other systems. So you've completed your tour of using Trend Micro Deep Security to protect your AWS workloads. Click on the free trial link in the upper right-hand corner to get started today. Alternatively, click on Contact Us to get in touch with one of our security experts. Trend Micro Deep Security, securing your journey to the cloud.